In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header color in WordPress. Whether you're creating a website for your blog, business, or portfolio, customizing the header is a simple yet effective way to make your site stand out. A well-chosen header color not only enhances the visual appeal of your site, but also ensures your branding stays consistent and professional. So let me guide you step by step through the process. And if you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, open up your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website address. This is the unique URL for your site, so make sure you type it in correctly. Once you're on the main page of your site, look to the top right corner there. You'll find the Login button. Click on it to access the login screen. On the login screen, you'll notice a few different ways to sign in. For this tutorial, we'll choose the Continue with Google option. This is a quick and secure way to log in without needing to type in your password. Once you select that option, you'll see a list of Google accounts linked to your browser. Choose the account you want to use for accessing your WordPress site. If you don't see your account listed, you can always add it manually. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll find various tools to manage your site. Look for the Quick Links section. It's typically on the main dashboard page, and it's designed to help you access common features with ease. In the Quick Links section, click on the Edit Site option. This will take you directly into the site editor where we can start customizing. Once you're in the site editor, you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Locate the website you want to work on and click on it to open the editing interface. Now, here's where the fun part begins. At the top of your page, you'll find the header section. This is the area that typically contains your site's logo, title, or navigation menu. To start editing, click directly on the header. This will open a variety of customization options in the right-hand panel of the interface. On the right side, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the one labeled Style. The Style tab is where you can adjust the visual design of your header, including fonts, spacing, and most importantly, background colors. Within the Style tab, look for the section called Background. Click on it to expand the background settings. Here, you'll see options to change the background type, such as solid colors, gradients, or even images. For this tutorial, we'll focus on setting a solid color. Now, click on the Color option within the background settings. This will open the Color Picker tool. The Color Picker is a handy feature that lets you visually choose the perfect shade for your header. You can drag the cursor around the color palette, input a specific hex code, or use the sliders to fine-tune your selection. Take a moment to pick a color that complements your website's theme. A cohesive color scheme not only enhances the user experience, but also helps to create a polished and professional look. Once you've selected your preferred color, you should see the change applied immediately in the live preview on your screen. This lets you confirm how the new header color looks before finalizing it. If you're happy with the result, you're all set. If not, feel free to adjust the color until it's just right. Finally, when you're satisfied with the new header color, confirm the changes by saving your work. Then, you can exit the editor and return to your dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully updated your WordPress header color. So now you know exactly how to customize your header color and create a more visually appealing website in WordPress. If you have any questions or need help with another WordPress feature, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.